Ahem, someone is being naughty. Now, if you watch my channel, then you might be familiar with Lorenza, my yellow-naped Amazon, who basically had either fatty liver or one step away from it, because you need to do a biopsy to say it really is. But the vet said Lorenza was so sick that the vet didn't think that Lorenza was going to live. I brought Lorenza back from death's door. You can watch the video on that. I'll try to remember to post a link below. And now Lorenza's a pretty healthy parrot. I give her no seeds. No seeds. And you'll notice that right now, since I'm watching, she is not doing anything. I'm not sure how these seeds wound up on the counter. It is a part of the macaw mix for my nut eaters. Lorenza, no! No, girl, that's not good for you. No seeds for Lorenza. I don't let her have any. So I don't know how she wound up here. But what's cracking me up is, no, Lorenza, no! Is that instead of coming up where the seeds are, she's being all sneaky. And I think the reason is because she's like, if I do it all sneaky, like, Mom won't see me. No, Lorenzita, that's not good for you. Look at her. There's her toy box. There's her water bowl. Look at her. So now she knows I'm taking them. She's cramming them in as fast as she can. All right, that's just a crack up. There's my Lorenza. Hi, Lorenza. Oh, see, now, is she going to come up now? What are you going to do now? What are you doing? Yes, hi, Emerald. We see you. We hear you. What you doing? What you doing? Hi. So this is life around my house. Hi, Lorenza. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Oh, thank you. That clicking is I'm happy. I think I'm happy because I snuck some seeds. So that's life around here today. What you doing, Lorenza? What you doing? What you doing? Huh? Huh? Thank you. Thank you for your happy clicking. Oh, are you going to go back in your box? Let's see. Okay. Hi. Hi. What you doing? Hi. Best DIY toy, a box, and a paper bag, which she has been busy shredding. Since Lorenza isn't a spring chicken or a cockatoo, I don't feel like she gets too hormonal. My daughter thinks she gets hormonal. But let me tell you, this is like the best toy ever. Because it gives her something to do, keeps her beak occupied. You see everything she's getting out there? Oops. Extreme close-up in the wrong direction. There we go. And she really enjoys it. Is that your house? Is that your house? Huh? Hi, sweetie. How are you? Hi, Lorenza. Lorenza does talk. She says a few things. But, you know, if you are familiar with my channel, my parrots do not talk on camera. Hi. Of course, Emerald's talking. She's on my back. Let's peek in this way. Hi. Oh, I'm not sure what that was. What was that? Hi, cutie pie. What you doing? What you doing? Hi, Lorenza. Are you preparing a nest? Yeah? Yeah? Are you preparing a nest? What a pretty girl. All right. Well, I guess this has been kind of a neat bird's eye view of Lorenza's adventures. Hi, sweetie. Lorenza doesn't fly, so she's a really nice walking companion. Hi, sweetheart. Can I give you a pet? Oops. Can I give you a pet? Hi. Hi, sweetie. No? All right. You want me to leave you alone? I'll leave you alone. Well, I guess that's a wrap. So, that's Lorenza. And I guess that's a wrap. If you have any questions about parrots, please be sure to comment below. You can join our Parrot Bliss group or Parrot Bliss flock on Facebook groups. Get your must-have Tinks CBD oil on parrotbliss.com or post there. All right, Miss Lorenza. This is my napping buddy, my walking buddy. And I guess I'll let her continue to whine in peace. Catch you next time.